Hello traders, this is about a day trading system that I recommend. What is the day trading system that offers a full refund without asking any question? What is the day trading system that supports traders on an exclusive educational trading website? What is the day trading system that does not cancel traders' membership to best-trading-strategy.com after they receive their full refund? What is the day trading system that allows traders to send in a chart with relevant questions in view to improve day trading? Use the TSTW 24-day trading system today. The TSTW 24 stands for trading system that works. If one purchases the TSTW 24 trading system, one will receive a unique username and password to come to this website www.best-trading-strategy.com. If one is not satisfied within the first 14 days, one can ask for a full refund, and we will refund you if you ask for a refund within the first 14 days of your purchase. No risk attached to it at all to you. The TSTW 24 trading system is the day trading system that I recommend to traders. Use the TSTW 24 day trading system today.